In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a file on Google Forms. Whether you're collecting assignments, job applications, or any kind of files from respondents, Google Forms makes this process simple and streamlined. Let's dive into how you can set up a form to accept file uploads with ease. Let's start with accessing Google Forms. First, you'll need to sign into your Google account. Head over to the Google Forms website. Here you'll find the Sign In button at the top right corner. Click on that and it will prompt you to enter your email address. Type it in, click Next, then type in your password, and finally click Sign In again to access your Google Forms dashboard. Now, assuming you already have a form created or you're about to create one, let's navigate to your Google form. If you're starting fresh, click on the blank form option, or select an existing form from your drive. This will bring up the form editor where you can start adding or editing questions. At this stage, find the question to which you want to add the file upload option. If you haven't added a question yet, click on the plus add question button. Google Forms provides various types of responses you can collect, from short answers to multiple choice. To see these options, click on the question you wish to edit, then click on the drop-down menu that appears to the right of the question field. Scroll through the list of options until you find File Upload. Click on it and you'll notice that by selecting this option, respondents can upload files directly through the form. A note here, the file upload option is particularly useful for collecting documents or images. It's important to mention that this feature is only available for users within the same Google Workspace domain, unless you've adjusted your settings to allow external uploads. After selecting the file upload option, a prompt will appear, outlining the requirements and limitations of this feature. It includes details like maximum file sizes and the types of files you can collect. Click Continue to proceed. You're now all set. Your question has been configured to accept file uploads. It's as simple as that. From here you can further customize the question, specifying the number of files users can upload, the maximum file size, and allowed file types to streamline the type of data you collect. Remember, once someone uploads a file through your form, it automatically gets saved in a folder in your Google Drive, neatly organizing all submissions in one place. This eliminates the hassle of manually collecting and organizing these files yourself. In conclusion, Google Forms offers an incredibly straightforward method for collecting files from respondents, making it an invaluable tool for educators, employers, or anyone needing to gather documents or media files efficiently. Try it out in your next Google form and you'll see just how smoothly you can collect the information or files you need. That's it for our tutorial on how to upload a file on Google Form. I hope you found these instructions helpful and easy to follow. Enjoy creating your forms and collecting those important files with ease. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to explore more of our tutorials for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of Google's powerful tools.